Hey YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the IvyKidsKits.com subscription box. If you don't know what this is a monthly subscription box service. They put together a beautiful array of different types of educational activities, all centered around a special book each month, and it's for ages 3 through 8. We have used them in the past and we really love them, you guys. They have quality stuff. Ivy Kids was really nice enough to send us a subscription box this month to share on this channel. So let's dig in so you can see all the goodies that they have to offer. Okay guys, so let's dig into this. So a little bit about Ivy Kids. The creator and developer of this company was actually a childhood education teacher, an early childhood teacher, and she became a stay-at-home mom, and so she had to find ways to create fun activities for her children, and she found that when she centered her activities around a special book, they were much more engaged. And so out of this need for kind of giving her children cognitively appropriate skill building activities to do, she started creating these kits not only for herself and her children but for other people's children as well. And so that's kind of how this company came about. So each month you're going to get a box in the mail, and it comes with at least 10 activities and games, all educational. They're centered around a book, but they're going to be games that you can play together. If you have more than one child, you can play with them. I have 3 children, and anytime that we had gotten these in the past, we got a sibling box, so you can get one for one child, or if you have a sibling or more than one sibling, they put the special sticker here that just shows that you're going to have enough activities for all of the children to do together. So everyone gets, you just get one book, but then you get all of the activities that everyone can do together. And so the boxes are put together by special education teachers, and who know of the developmentally appropriate things to put in the boxes and the books that have worked in classrooms and things like that. Oh, cool. So this month's box is about birds, and it's Why Should I Walk? I Can Fly. So there's a book and a bookmark. I don't know if you can see this. I hope you can see this. These are all the activities that are going to be inside of the box. They sent us personalized, a special personalized gift here. If you were a bird, where would you go? For each one of my kids. This is so sweet. Here is your special bookmark. This bookmark is going to have different questions and tips to encourage reading comprehension about the book you're going to be reading. And here is the book, Why Should I Walk? I Can Fly. We've never read this book, so I'm excited. This will be new for my kids. So you can go on their website, ivykids.com, and you can see what month's activities are going to be. So you can select which month you want to get, or if you want to get something monthly. So it looks like we have some little bird crafts. They're really cute. And then 3 little bowls. So it's going to have a laid out directions for what you're going to do with everything, but they give you enough for everything. There's some pipe cleaners here, some tweezers, a die. We have some binoculars. Cool. It looks like we're going to be building a nest. My kids are going to love this. Some styrofoam pieces. We're probably going to make a little baby robin. So they even give you enough binoculars for each child. So I have 3. They sent me 3 binoculars. How cool is that? You have some glue. So everything you need to do all the activities in this box for the entire month that you have it is all included. You're going to make a birdhouse. So here's the wood pieces to make and build the birdhouse. And then you have the paints for painting. I have 3 of these. And 3 of the birdhouse making kits. Whoops. Another one of the styrofoam pieces here, enough for 3 children. Some feathers. And here looks like a ceramic bird water whistle. Let me open one of these up. They package things really nicely. If you have anything that's ceramic or glass that they send you, they always package it really nicely. Really quality stuff. Get your own cord. The kids are gonna love that. And she sent me 3 different ones. Looks like a red one for my son. One with a pink cord. For one of my girls. What I usually do is I leave everything in the box and I don't show them everything at once because if I do, they kind of want to do everything all at once. I get out the book and then I decide what activity we're going to do, and then we do that one, and then throughout the entire month we have enough for art, science, you know, math discovery, all sorts of things. There's another whistle. So really quality stuff. So in this package, you're going to have some additional directions. You're going to have all of the material you need. If there's any printables, if there's any teaching aids, you're going to have everything in here. So we're going to learn about a robin, the parts of a robin. Some visuals of baby robins. Oh, so cute. The kids are gonna love this. So you also have games here to do. So they're learning games, learning about letters and different things. And you can modify these activities. And I'll show you the instructions where it says how you can modify them based on your child's age. So if you have just a little one, you know, in the 3-year-old range, or if you have an older child up to 8, it tells you how you can modify them. Looks like they're going to be illustrating and writing a sentence. I worked hard, so now I can definitely play. So you're going to do a science experiment with a feather. And that's all laid out here. You have a bird watching sheet, so we can do some nature watching with the binoculars. Here's a game for the bird gliders. Forgot to show you these. They each have a bird glider that you get to put together, and then you get to fly them, and then you have a nice math game. So there's enough for 3 children, like I said in here. I showed you these sheets. They're going to be really excited. So if you go on Ivy Kids website and you order a box, it's 20% off your first subscription box. If you go ahead and enter your email, I will put a link down below to their website. And this is an example of the instructions. So it has here the materials you're going to need, how you're going to play the game or do the activity, and then there's a little Ivy tip, a junior Ivy tip. Okay, so if your kid's little, it says you can help your little Ivy connect the pieces of the birdhouse the correct way. He or she may need help inserting the wood pieces into the slots, and your little Ivy will love painting the birdhouse once it's built. So for the junior Ivy tip, you give your junior Ivy some time to study the birdhouse diagram, challenge your junior Ivy to build the birdhouse independently. He or she may need help threading the string through the holes on the roof of the birdhouse. And then there's some scaffolding learning that happens. You ask some questions, and then there's some scaffolding learning. And here, same thing, instructions for bird watching. The instructions go along with learning about a robin and all the parts of the robin, and again, little Ivy and junior Ivy tips, and then all the learning that happens, the scaffolding learning. So these subscription boxes are much more than your average subscription box that you get in the mail. These are one of the best that I've seen out there, very educational. And last year we used them for art and science for the entire year. It was really great. So I highly recommend them. Very educational, and everything comes to your door, and you literally don't have to buy a single thing more than what you've already done initially for getting this box. So anyway, that is it, you guys. That is the Ivy Kids kits, and this is the book that, oops, sorry for the bump. So that is it, you guys, and this is the book that you will be reading, and here's some questions to ask after you've read the book. And the way we do this is we read the book every time we do an activity. So before we do it, we're reading the book, we're asking and answering questions, and then we go ahead and do the activity. I want to thank Ivy Kids once again for sending us this. It was so generous of them. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to talk to you all in the next video.